Welcome viewers to Startup News. I am your host Aishwarya. Before I proceed with today's news, I request our viewers to take necessary precautions as the battle against COVID-19 is not over yet. Always wear a mask, wash your hands frequently and do not step out of your house unnecessarily. Please maintain social distancing. Remember, this is the time we fight the virus together. Top headlines that moved the world this week are: AIFs and VC funds granted permission to invest up to $1.5 billion. The Securities and Exchange Board of India has allowed more domestic private equity and venture capital funds to invest abroad. Now these investments can go up to $1.5 billion of their corpus in foreign companies. Mark Cuban invests in crypto firm Polygon. US-based entrepreneur and tech billionaire Mark Cuban has invested an undisclosed amount in Mumbai-based blockchain startup and made-in-India crypto firm Polygon. With this investment, Polygon has been added to Cuban's portfolio of companies. Financial support to Indian startups announced by the Government of India. The Government of India has announced financial support to Indian startups and companies which are involved in developing new technologies and innovative products to help the country to fight the COVID crisis. Paytm plans to raise $3 billion IPO. Indian fintech giant Paytm is planning to raise $3 billion in an initial public offering by November 2021. This will be India's biggest IPO. The company is also targeting a valuation of $25 to $30 billion. Bernard Arnault becomes world's richest person. CEO and majority owner of LVMH, Bernard Arnault overtakes Amazon founder Jeff Bezos to become world's richest person. According to Forbes, the French fashion tycoon claimed the top spot with a net worth of $186.4 billion. Zeta becomes 14th Indian startup to join the Unicorn Club. Bengaluru-based banking tech startup Zeta has raised $260 million in a funding round led by SoftBank Vision Fund 2. This funding makes Zeta the latest Indian startup to join the Unicorn Club. Flipkart hires 23,000 in 3 months. Flipkart has hired 23,000 more workers between March and May 2021 for roles in the supply chain which include delivery executives. This will ensure that the e-tailer maintains the incoming orders while following COVID-19 protocols. IIM and BITS graduates launch fund to support startups. In order to support and invest in startups founded by college students, Indian Institute of Management Ahmedabad and BITS Pilani graduates Abhishek Sethi and Prateek Bihara have launched a $1 million fund. Their venture, Grad Capital, will invest $25,000 in 20 startups over the next year. India's first privately developed Hall effect thruster successfully tested. India's first privately developed Hall effect thruster, an electric propulsion engine for microsatellites weighing around 50 to 500 kg, has been successfully tested by Bengaluru headquartered space technology startup. The thruster will be ready for commercial use by the end of 2021. DRDO develops complicated technology for aircraft engines. Defense Research and Development Organization has developed a complex technology in order to build critical components for aircraft engines. According to DRDO, few countries have been able to do the same. That's all for today. We have over 400 startups and MSME shows on our TV channel. Do check out. My Startup TV is now available on Google Play Store, so you can get all the latest news on startups and MSMEs on the move. You can also support us by subscribing to our TV channel and do not forget to press the bell icon. You can follow us on Koo, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn or visit our website www.mystartuptv.in. Thanks for watching.